And hello YouTube, and this is Ziyo Blader. And today we're going to be doing a battle in the old Blizzard Bowl. Now, out of all the plastic stadiums, this is one of the ones that are really okay on balance for all types. So yeah. And it'll be going up against, we have pre-hybrid wheel Pegasus with whole flat versus Beyblade Legends Lightning L-drago stock Beyblade. Yeah, I couldn't find my flats on Pegasus, so I used whole flat instead, which is like the next best thing or something that I had. So here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh! And sent L-drago into the pocket. There you go. Pegasus takes the first win. Reload. Pegasus going again. Oh, wow! And whoa, hold on. Oh, that's no good. That's no good. It just damaged the plastic. Oh, that's not good. We got a crack in that now. You gotta be careful with that now. Okay. That was a powerful hit though. So it's 1-1. With L-drago is gonna go now. Oh my goodness, out of the stadium. Uh-oh. Whoa. Yeah. I might have to be careful on that one, because it's ripping up the part there. Okay. So, Pegasus has 2, L-drago has 1. Okay, final round. Did you get it out? And I'll just count that one. So there you go. Pegasus takes the win for this battle. And that's not going to look good there. Yeah, I might rethink about doing battles with metal in this one. So yeah. Hope you enjoyed that battle there. And this is Ziyo Blader here. And actually, you know what? I'm going to show you it. Before I end the battle. Or before I end this video here. There you go, that's what happened. It hit right there and started to chip up the plastic. That's a hole through the stadium. So yeah. Don't think I'm going to be doing metal battles in this guy for good. So yeah. Hope you enjoyed this battle, and this is Ziyo Blader here signing out, and please subscribe.